today, but it's kind of warm.
Yes, it is.
Kind of warm outside.
And it's humid. The
Yeah.
dew points are in the upper 60s. Typically when it gets above 63, it feels sticky.
Yeah.
Like that air that's almost like
It's
on
like
you.
thick.
Yes.
It's kind of gross.
Yes, I like when it's farther away. It feels not as close.
Definitely. So stay inside in the air conditioning.
Yes, exactly. All right. Hey, we had quite a bit of rain over the weekend. Well, some of us.
Not us.
Yeah, not me. I needed it for the fertilizer that was put down, but had less than 1/10 of an inch of rainfall around the Tulsa area. But that donut hole in the middle was surrounded by heavy rainfall at Stillwater, at Ponca City. And then look at this rain from McAllister, Eufaula, up through Muskogee with 3 inches of rain at Cookson. Tahlequah had over 2.5 inches of rainfall. And then some of us just missed out. The chance today is pretty small this afternoon. You'll see just these little isolated showers rotating around an upper level low pressure area that right now is spun down into southern Arkansas. And so the rest of the day, especially from Tahlequah off to the southeast, but I can't rule it out that we couldn't see an isolated shower here in the Tulsa area, popping back up as we head into the afternoon as the cloud field, cumulus field begins to redevelop. But then by tonight, we should get rid of all of the rain. And then we'll keep an eye out here to the west. Thunderstorm complexes forming right here on the lee of the Rocky Mountains, and then those thunderstorm complexes start to spread south and eastward. Hays, Kansas, down toward Wichita, but they fall apart as they get closer to green country, and we end up with some cloudy skies in the morning, but then sunshine in the afternoon. And then as we head into the weekend, you're talking about a pattern change and much hotter weather coming in with highs generally upper 80s, low 90s right through Monday. And that means Tulsa Tough will provide not only Crybaby Hill, but other challenges. It starts Friday evening, 88 degrees. Saturday morning as the cyclists get underway, that's warm and muggy at 68. It's breezy and muggy Sunday morning, 72, with south winds around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Here's the River Spirit time lapse. We'll put this into motion. What I want you to note is we're looking off to the northeast, and these clouds are approaching from the northeast and then headed back to the southwest. That's kind of unusual, but that's the result of that upper level low pressure system spinning off to our south and to our southeast. So that'll continue. 80 degrees right now. Dew point at 68, despite the north winds at 10 miles an hour. This afternoon, warm, somewhat muggy, temperatures into the mid-80s, still a chance up till about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we'll have a warm mix of clouds and the sun as we head towards sunset. 86 in Tulsa today, Muskogee 83, Tahlequah up to 82. Warmer at Bartlesville, Ponca City, Stillwater. Because of more sunshine, they could make it into the upper 80s. Overnight tonight, it'll be a mild, seasonably mild night with overnight lows in the low to mid 60s across the area. Here's the 7-day forecast tomorrow. We're back to 88 degrees, 83 on Wednesday with northeasterly winds. We start to crank up that humidity Thursday as the winds turn to the south. It'll be warm, humid, and breezy this weekend with highs in the 90s. Morning lows comfortable to Wednesday and Thursday morning, becoming somewhat uncomfortable by the weekend. 2 Works for You Midday continues right after this.